How to buy Interdimensional TV. So this token, it came under the symbol of TV. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their accounts and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and it's increased by 1,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's mean investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 28 on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. This is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here on customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you are be able to buy this token without any issue on your wallet. So this is how to buy TV token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.